If you want to remove Mailchimp branding from your emails, this video will walk you through the process step by step. I'm going to show you where the branding appears, what the limitation is on free plans, and what you need to do if you want a cleaner, more professional looking footer. If this helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, go to Mailchimp and sign in to your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the campaign section and click on it. This is where all of your email campaigns are stored, and it's the place you need to go to edit the design of an email. Next, find the campaign you want to update and click Edit. After that, select Edit Design. This opens the email editor, where you can make changes to the layout, content, and footer area of your campaign. Now scroll down to the footer section. This is where Mailchimp branding usually appears. Click directly on the Mailchimp logo or branding area. When you do this, Mailchimp may show you a message telling you that you need to upgrade your plan in order to remove the branding. This is an important point. On many Mailchimp plans, removing branding is only available with a paid upgrade. So if you're using a free plan, you may not be able to fully remove it without upgrading. If you see the Upgrade Now option, that means Mailchimp is asking you to move to a higher tier plan to unlock branding removal. If you do have access to that setting, continue by disabling the Mailchimp branding option in the footer. In some cases, this may appear as a toggle, checkbox, or a removable logo element depending on your campaign setup and plan level. Turn it off or remove it if the option is available. After that, make sure to review the rest of your footer text as well. Sometimes there may be extra Mailchimp references, links, or default footer content that you also want to clean up. Double check everything so your email looks consistent with your brand. Once you're done, save your changes and preview the email before sending it out. This helps you confirm that the branding is gone, or at least that your campaign is displaying exactly the way you want it to. So to quickly recap, go to Mailchimp, open campaigns, edit your campaign, go into Edit Design, click the footer branding, and then disable or remove it if your plan allows it. If Mailchimp asks you to upgrade, that means branding removal is tied to a paid plan. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.